Well, this is my AC home unit. Last year I had got it fixed for $240. The technician came through and fixed it. Changed this part right here. Alright? Charged me $240. Alright? So what I did today, did my search, went out, and brought the same thing for 30 bucks. Brought two of them. What you have to do, you gotta make sure that you remove this fuse link from this box. Okay? All you have to do, just follow the codes. Let's see, this one goes to that one, okay? That one goes to that one, all right? So yellow goes to C, yellow goes to C, the blue goes to this one right here, and the brown wire goes to fan, which is right here. So let's do what we gotta do.